everyone, this is Sunshine Annie. So this is what the layout looks like for December 17th through the 23rd. And this is the beginning for December 24th through the 30th. I hope you are having a wonderful Christmas day. I wanted to get on and just say thank you. It's been quite a year and it's been quite a past month. I'm grateful to everyone who has subscribed and who've liked and commented and been so kind. This last month before Thanksgiving, I know I've mentioned we lost our 11-year-old pug, Penny. I ended up slipping and falling and taking an emergency room run. I'm fine. We had a storm come through, and for the past, since Monday the 18th, we were without power, electricity. We did have a generator. It took down so many trees around our house. We'll be clearing in the spring. Because we had no power, I sat and worked on this week's. So it's done. I haven't filled a lot of things in. Obviously, I did my countdown for Christmas Eve. I drew a little present and put a bow on the present for my last Advent. These were the Advent for this past week. And this is just decoration. I obviously don't need the Advent for the rest of this week. Christmas Eve, we spent some time with my extended family. So my sisters and their kids and the grandkids and the great-grandkids. So that's kind of fun because this little ones. This is washi tape that I got from Hobby Lobby. These stickers are all ones that I'm using up that were from Creative Memories packs, old Creative Memories pack. Just use my super tips from Crayola to do the coloring and my own drawing. So this next week, which we're already into, Sunday was Christmas Eve. I hope you enjoyed time with your loved ones, with whatever your traditions you're making. So we did spend some time with my family, my extended family at my sister's, who always throws a party every Christmas Eve. It's full and loud and hot and crazy. And then my husband and I came home and wrapped and prepped for our day, which was today. But my heart is full. It was nice to get together with my kids. I got to play a game of cribbage with my eldest son. We are planning on doing a gathering for New Year's, but you'll have to see that in the next one. I am going to fill in. I filled in. We do have an appointment on Wednesday to do some dog training, and we are planning on using up some of that ham and making a pea soup. And my eldest son and his partner will be coming over for that, because that is my eldest son's one of his favorite things, is to have pea soup. For the rest of the week, we are going to try to relax. We are on a little vacation. Yeah, we just want to try to enjoy the puppy, work on puppy training stuff. My goals this week is, as always, is to eat healthy, make good choices. Also need to make sure I'm drinking more water. I do need to be more active. For my mindfulness, I also want to make sure I'm doing art activities, not just this kind of thing, but just art for myself. So that's pretty much it. I hope you have had a blessed holiday. And I hope that if you are taking some time off, you get to rest. Or if you're active, want to be, maybe your rejuvenation is getting outside and hiking or retail therapy or whatever you do. And let's look forward to a blessed, safe 2024. Tune in next week. Well, it's not going to be that much longer. I have nothing planned. I look forward to talking with you next week. Thank you.